Hot Topic unboxing. One of my favorite things to do. I'm very excited about this. Let me put the box. Thor and Loki are super excited about it too. This is the skirt. I'm going to have to start getting an even smaller size because I can already tell this is going to be too big, but I really love the bottom of it is very Tinkerbellish. This is a cute little like overlay shrug type thing to go with that skirt. It's so cute. Look at the sleeves. We have another skirt. This is so pretty. And like, I don't know if you can see the detail. The detail's so pretty. I love the hanky hem. We have another skirt and I'm really excited about this because it has the panel where like it's got the two different slits, and if you can see, it's got like this ribbon detail on both sides. Got like pretty little flowers on it. And we have a dress which I can already tell is going to be way too big, but that's okay because I'll just use a harness anyways. But it's got the slits on the side and it's cherries. Long skirt with the lace details and the two slits, and this one has like darker roses on it. It's literally so pretty. Hanky hem skirt, but let me show you the detail in this. This is one of my favorite things I've ever seen. It's like little skeleton butterflies. Is that not the cutest little thing ever? I'm obsessed. I have this really cute mesh shirt and it's got like little flower details on it. It also comes with like this little tank under it. We have another mesh shirt and this one's even cooler. It's got like moths and skulls on it. Also the sleeves are like these bell sleeves. They're so cute. This is another mesh shirt. You guys know I love mesh and I love fishnet, so look how beautiful this is. It's got like burgundy flowers on it. It's just so cute. Another mesh shirt and you can see the details on it as well. You guys always ask me where I get my mesh shirts and fishnet shirts from, so now you know. They're little cherry earrings. They're so cute. We got some star-shaped hair clips. I'm so excited about this because when I was in high school and college, I had one of these black tattoo necklaces, like chokers, and it was my favorite thing. I never went anywhere without it. I lived in that thing until it died and I was so sad about it. And then I'm also obsessed with this. It's a Slytherin ring. If you guys don't know, recently I retook the Harry Potter quiz and apparently I've changed because I am now a Slytherin. And I've been a Ravenclaw the other million times that I've taken that test, and now all of a sudden I'm a Slytherin, so I had to celebrate with a little Slytherin ring. The last thing in this package, which I'm so excited about, it's a hair clip, okay? So see? But then look at it. It's bat wings and it's got like all these dangly things. Oh my god, tell me this doesn't scream Angelique. I'm obsessed! Hot Topic is literally just my favorite place in the world. I don't know what I would do without them. Love them. Love you guys. Bye!